Hi there, this is Mr. Boyd. Today, we are going to talk about how to make Windows 10 look like macOS for free. In this video, I will tell you how you can transform your Windows 10 to get a clear and simple macOS user interface. And the best part, it's free. It's good to make a restore point of your PC for a peace of mind if something goes wrong. You can create a restore point by going to the Start menu and type Restore, and then click the top option named Create a Restore Point. In the System Restore window, go to the bottom and click the button Create. Type the name of the restore point and click Create. Wait for the process to finish, and that's it. To transform your Windows 10 into macOS, you will need to download an app called rainmeter along with some other apps. Rainmeter allows you to display customizable skins on your desktop. It's open source and it's free. First, download rainmeter from rainmeter.net. Click the download button. Next, download WinStep Nexus from winstep.net. Find WinStep Nexus and click Learn More. Next, click the download button. Next, download the macOS skin from the link in the description of this video. After downloading all three files, rainmeter, WinStep Nexus, and the macOS skin, you can put the files into one folder for ease of access. Next, install rainmeter. Double-click the file. Choose your language and click OK. Choose Standard Installation and click Next. Click Install. And then Finish. Right-click on every widget and click Unload Skin. Next, extract the macOS theme file and open it. Here, double-click on the file ending with .rmskin to make the Windows taskbar look like the Mac dock. In the pop-up window, click Install. After that, open rainmeter from the up arrow on the taskbar. In the Manage Rainmeter window, expand the nr_yosemite_menu_bar and select menubar.ini. On the right side, click the button Load. Next, check the position setting down below and make it according to your preference. For me, I like it to be the normal setting. After clicking Load button, you can notice the top bar. Next, open the macOS theme folder and copy the macOS folder and move it to the C drive. After that, the next step is to install the WinStep Nexus app you downloaded before. This will add the macOS dock to Windows. Locate the file and extract it. Go to the Extracted folder and double-click the file Nexus Setup. Choose your language and click OK. Next, accept the agreement and click Next. Click Next again and again. Finally, click Install. Click Finish. You can now notice the macOS dock at the top. To make the dock look modern, open the macOS theme folder again and go to Nexus dock files. Here, select and copy both macOS dock and macOS Dark Dock. After that, open the Documents folder under the user directory and navigate to WinStep, Nexus, Backgrounds. Here, paste both folders. Now, click on the Nexus icon in the dock. This will open the Nexus app. Here, move to Advanced, and down below, click Restore. After that, navigate to the macOS theme folder and then to Nexus dock files. Here, select the wsbackup.wbk file and click Open. Then, click Apply and close the Nexus window. Next, right-click on the taskbar and open Taskbar Settings. In the Taskbar Settings window, navigate to automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. If you want to add the Mac Launchpad on Windows, you can download another program called WinLaunch from winlaunch.org. Click Download. After that, locate the downloaded file and double-click on it. Click Install. Next, click Start. Next, navigate to the dock down below, right-click on the Launchpad, and select Remove from Dock. After that, drag the WinLaunch desktop icon onto the dock. Click the WinLaunch icon. And there you have it. You now have a Mac Launchpad. If you want to uninstall Rainmeter, the other programs, and revert back to Windows 10 appearance, press the Win button. Go to Settings, and then Apps. In the Apps window, locate Nexus, Rainmeter, and WinLaunch, and uninstall them. If for some reason you can't uninstall them, right-click on each bar, and dock, and select Exit. Now you will be able to uninstall them. Since no system files or registry values were modified, your system will restore to the previous state. You can also make changes to the taskbar settings and revert back to the changes you have made. Go to the taskbar, right-click, and select Taskbar Settings. Navigate to automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode and change the option to off. If you have any questions or suggestions, let me know in the comments section. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.